Guys, what's up? Welcome back to this new video, and in this video we'll try to solve. I'm into a different space. I didn't wanted to not do something, so I'm just trying to solve this question. This is a DSA question. Average pair function. You have to write a function which name is average pair, and how can you implement a function named average pair that takes in a sorted array? So you have to keep that in mind that your array should be sorted. So you can straight up apply a sort function there to sort it, or put the very input only in a sorted manner. That is, we put in an array, then should be from low to big or big to small arrays of integer and a target average. Yeah, takes in a sorted array of integers and a target average. Okay, it will take two inputs, an array as well as uh, a target average, and determines if the pairs of values in the array where the average of the pairs are equal to the target average. Okay, so in my head there is some way I don't even have a pen or anything, so I don't want to even get up and find it. So what I'll do, basically use MS Paint to write it, to draw whatever is in my head, and I will then show it to you, and then if I am able to reach to a code, I will be able to after that I'll just type that code in Visual Studio Code straight up, and then try running it and debug if there is an error, and build up after that, and after that we'll see the solution. Okay, I'll pause the video for now and then I'll start doing it. Hey, welcome back. So for this very question I came up with a solution. um, this was me trying to understand how to use the sliding window in this very question. Basically, sliding window is like, you know, it depends on like how many elements you want to consider in one sliding element. For example, here you can say try to consider only two elements at a single time. So it's like sliding forward, so like how many times it can move forward: 1, 2, 3, 4, and I guess last 5. Oh sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So how many times total we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So since it is 7, and how many windows we are considering? 2, so it will be -1. So if you are considering 3 elements at a time, so it will be -2. So let me predict it for you, like how many elements are here. 3, 6, 7, 7, right? So what we're going to do right now, as I told you, we have to do -2 if we're considering 3 elements at the same time. That is, the window has 3 elements. What do I mean? Let me just show like this, like 3 elements, right? So this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, and last 5, 3 elements. So we got 5, like we can use 5 times. As I told you to do how much? -2, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. So like we can have only 5 times. So guys, sorry for the background music, copyright strike coming on this video. So let me open Visual Studio. So this is the code. This is a simple code, world's simplest code with a time complexity of O of n. Have a look at it. What we have basically done here is a short circuit. If the array's length is like no elements is there, what the fuck will it find the average with, right? So instead of return null if the array is empty. Like what do I mean by that? Like this is empty. To what is conducive? Copyright. Why हट जाए भाई copyright मेरा ऐसे से why, and you see the output will be null because there is nothing to find the average of. I need to pause, okay, because copyright आ जाएगा. Okay, so hopefully no copyrights. So as you saw, the output was null. That's it. Let me just show you the code. The code basically iterates from 0 and goes to arrays.length, similar basic. And we have created a variable current average, which basically takes the first element and the second element and adds them together and divides it by 2. So okay, so far we have understood it. फिर भैया भी आ गए. Okay, so here we have used ternary or नहीं, what is this? Ternary operator. क्या बोलते हैं इसको बे? कौन सा string बोलते हैं? I'll come back. I forgot. So guys, what was I saying? I forgot. Still, I don't know what is this. Um, I'll need to search first of all. I'll come back after searching. So I forgot. It was called oh fuck. It was called template literals. And then what we do here, it returns a template literal saying like this and this are the two adjacent pair from the array we have provided, which sums and when divided by 2 gives us the given average, inserted by the user, and also being a parameter of our very function. That's it. It compares the given average with the current average, and if it is true, then return this. If it is not, so simple, so easy, just looking like a wow, and it works. Let me just give it an arranged array, sorted array. I mean, पट्टी अभी बाकी है. Okay, सबसे. Oh my god. So five and 9 when added gives how much? 14. 14 divided by 2, 7. So these are the two which gives us 7 as an average. You get it? So that simple it is. It's very simple. Now what we would do, we would go back in our documents and we'll check for um, and this quick solutions for the second part of the HTML. And this is average pair solution. And what they have done, basically they start at 0. So they basically use 2 pointers here. Weird, very weird. Okay, this could be, what is this n minus minus? Okay, whatever. So they have used basically 2 pointers here. It was not told to follow a certain method, so I ended up following sliding window. Okay, maybe next time when I will encounter something like this, I'll try to be confident about dual pointers. That's it, 2 pointers. That's it for the video. I'll catch you up later. Till then, take care, be safe, and keep developing. Keep DSAing, not developing.